Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Nightcap and confirming permissions so the app can control exposure and focus. This matters because automated sensors need access. Once done, stabilize your phone on a tripod to avoid blur, then choose night mode for low light or long exposure for light trails. Pick a 1/2 to 2 second shutter as a first test. You do this to establish a sharp baseline image before making finer adjustments, which saves time and prevents wasted frames. You now refine settings to control noise versus brightness. Lower ISO reduces grain but needs longer exposures, while higher ISO brightens faster but adds noise. Once you select ISO, set manual focus or tap to focus and lock it so the camera won't hunt between frames. This keeps stars and streetlights crisp. Then adjust exposure compensation gradually to avoid blown highlights and enable RAW if you plan to edit. This combination gives you precise control and better final images. You finish by reviewing images at full size to catch noise or blur. This shows you whether to lower ISO or shorten shutter time. Once done, apply Nightcap's built-in noise reduction for quick fixes or export RAW to a desktop editor for deeper correction. That's why shooting RAW pays off. If pictures come out blurry, make sure to relock focus, increase shutter speed slightly, and eliminate any vibration. One simple change usually fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.